Ever had a strange Telegram bot show up in your chat or group, maybe with a confusing name, unknown origins, or even some suspicious activity? Or maybe you created your own bot for testing and it's time to get rid of it for good. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to permanently delete a Telegram bot if you're the owner, or simply remove unwanted bots from your chats and groups. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up your Telegram experience and keep your groups safe and tidy. Let's start with the most powerful action: deleting a bot if you're its developer or creator. This means you have full control, and you can actually erase the bot from Telegram's system using the official tool called @botfather. So first, open your Telegram app and use the search bar at the top to look for @botfather. You'll know it's the real one because of the blue checkmark next to its name. This is Telegram's official bot manager. Once you've found it, if you haven't started a chat before, just tap the Start button or type to initiate the conversation. @botfather is like the one-stop shop for managing all your bots. Now type the command just like it sounds and send it. Immediately you'll see a list of the bots you own. If you've made bots before, you'll recognize their names or avatars here. Go ahead and select the bot you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check you're deleting the right one because the next step is irreversible. @botfather will ask you for a confirmation, usually a phrase or a code, to make sure you want to permanently remove this bot. So type out exactly what it requests and send it back. Once you hit send, that bot is gone forever and there's no way to recover it. This can take a few seconds, but as soon as you get confirmation, the bot will disappear from your list. If you ever need to clean up old projects or stop a bot that's gone rogue, this is the safest method. But what if you're not the creator and you just want to stop a strange or unwanted bot in your own chats or groups? I've got you covered. In a private chat, maybe a bot reached out to you directly. Simply open the chat with the bot. At the top of the screen, tap the bot's name to go into its profile info. Scroll all the way down and you'll see an option that says Stop and Block Bot. When you tap this, the bot will be cut off from sending you any more messages, and the chat will be removed from your chat list. Don't worry if you're not sure, you can always unblock later if you change your mind. Now, bots can also sneak into group chats, sometimes added by admins or other members. If you're an admin and want to remove a bot, open the group and tap the group's name at the top to access the info page. Scroll through the list of members until you find the bot you want gone. Tap on its name and from there you'll see the option to remove from group or delete. This ensures the bot stops interacting in the group, making your community safer and more private. Quick tip: you do need admin privileges for this, but most group managers can handle it in just a few taps. And that's it. Whether you're deleting your own test bots for good or just cleaning up unwanted ones from your chats and groups, these tools make Telegram management easy and secure. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Telegram bots or other features you want to see covered. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your Telegram experience bot-free.